Hey everybody, it's Josh with JC Landscaping back with another video. I know it's been a while. I've had a very busy season, but that's a good thing, right? So coming towards the end of the season, I've picked up a few new properties. This is a new one. This is the first time mow. So I'll do it this week and then next week, and then that should be it for the season. And they want me to definitely come back next year as full-time service. So it's not really that big of a yard. I got a lot of edging to do though. I got the outside, I got the inside sidewalk, or excuse me, the outside, the curb, got the inside sidewalk and the outside sidewalk around the perimeter of the house. So a lot of edging to do, but not too bad. She does have a little bit of landscaping that I can probably upsell next year. So we'll walk down the side here. Do have a little bit of a hill here. I'll have to weed eat that so I don't dig the deck in. We'll walk around the backyard real quick. Very small backyard area, so not very much to deal with there. We'll come back down the front here. So overall, pretty decent property. She had an elderly couple that was doing the lawn care, which is kind of cool. It was a couple, they were in their 80s, and they finally decided to retire. So they didn't even finish out the season with her. They were done. When they said they're done, they're done. So she is a sister-in-law of a client that I've had for about 4 years now, and so I like referrals, and I do two just a couple blocks over on Tuesday, so it's really convenient. Just one right around the corner. So around this way, a little bit of sidewalk to edge here, not too bad. I can get the 52 through here. All in all, pretty open property, guys. Quick, easy money, especially with the 52 standard. You know, clean out right here. We got to make sure. I like it's a high rise though. Most of them are, you know, they're only like 2.5 inches up out of the ground, and the grass is tall. You end up running them over, and then you have to replace the cap because that nut always sticks up. So anyway, that's it, guys. This is the before. I'll get it knocked out and I will show you the after. I was gonna do like a full video on the property, but come on, it's the end of the season. Let's wait till it's really bright fertilized green in the spring, and we'll go from there. So I'll get back with you here in a few minutes. All right, guys, here is the finished product. Yeah, it ain't nothing special. This late in the year, you can't really get to define lines when the grass is starting to go dormant, but you can see them a little bit in there. Not too bad. Did what I could with the edges for now. Everything is trimmed out and edged and looking good. So that's it, guys. Just a quick video. If you can, like, subscribe, share the channel. Be safe out there, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.